Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we are going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up DocuSign Action Automation for workflows in your sub account. Once you're in your sub account, navigate to App Marketplace, be at the sub account view, search for the app and click on it. Click on Install. Once your app has been installed, refresh your tab and you have access to the custom page. Click the custom page to have the interface of the app. At the level of the interface, you will see the documentation link. We'll have the Smart Queue tutorial video that is going to serve as a guide on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. The app has been connected. We are going to walk through how to connect the app. Copy the redirect URL and head to the account which we've created online. You click on your profile, click integration, add integration, name the app, and click on create app. Scroll down, paste the redirect URL here. All these HTTP methods on, and click on save. Copy the VA account. You are head back to your sub account, click on start setup, and you paste. Copy the account API and paste. Head to the app which we created, click on it, click on edit, copy the client ID, head to your sub account, paste. Head back to the app, generate the key, copy, paste. Then click on complete setup and click on allow access. Then there you go. Your app has been successfully connected and set up. We have the support center where you will be able to create a ticket for our support team and as well schedule a call with our support team. We have the change log. At the level of this change log, you will see all the notifications concerning updates. Insert your email and click on subscribe. You've now learned how to install and set up your app. If you find this video helpful, remember our support team is available 24/7 to give you extra guidance. Thanks so much for watching.